Okay, we're going to be doing the chest press. We're doing unilaterally, so we're going to start with the left. Essentially, we need our 3-position handle on the longest position. I'm going to choose the center left pulley. And then go ahead and sit on my bench. I'll demonstrate what the range of motion should be. So the range of motion should be at the bottom, should be above your chest, and at the top, not all the way up, but with a slight bend in your elbow. So this is your range of motion that you're looking for. You're going to want to use your core to kind of keep yourself positioned on the bench as you do this. So I'm going to go ahead and hit set my range of motion. I'm going to train the machine what my range is the first time. Again, I'm following the instructions on the screen. Slight bend in my elbow. I wait for the beep. There's the beep. I'm going to bring it down to my lower position. Again, slightly above the chest. Wait for the beep. I'm going to go and drive this up. Now it's basically going to fight me. I want to fight the machine both up and down, keeping a neutral neck and breathing. Fight it. So you want to resist it, and then when it gets to the bottom, you want to push as hard as you can.